Task 3, consonant, vowel, and diphthong sounds. Camila Salcedo. Consonant. Think has the sound th. This has the sound d. Very has the sound v. Red has the sound r. She has the sound sh. Measure has the sound j. Chair has the sound t. Jump has the sound j. Sing has the sound ng. House has the sound h. See has the sound e. Sit has the sound I. Bed has the sound e. Cat has the sound e. Father has the sound a. Hot has the sound a. Law has the sound a. Book has the sound u. Food has the sound u. Cap has the sound a. Bird has the sound About has the sound a. Diphthongs. They has the sound a. My has the sound I. Boy has the sound oi. Now has the sound ow. Go has the sound o. Here has the sound ear. Care has the sound air. Now the tongue twister. Thick thieves think that they thrive while velvet rabbits brush and jive. She jingles, chattering, hanging high, humming harshly under the sky. That's the end of my pronunciation practice. Thank you for watching.